I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline, and in today's video we're going to be trying out the new Patrick Ta Major Skin Hydro Luxe Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation for Natural Glow. What a mouthful. So we got this foundation. It retails for $58. Okay, and I got the shade 26. I was shade matched when I went to Sephora. Shade 26, which is a neutral. Everything you need to know about this foundation. It is a medium coverage. The finish is radiant and the formula is liquid. Highlighted ingredients are 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, visibly plump and hydrate, plant-derived squalane, visibly improve elasticity and diffuse fine lines, and kombucha. Ooh, enhances the look of smoothness and radiance. Okay, wow. So to prep and moisturize my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Bobbi Brown moisturizer. Did our eyebrows to the best of my ability. Listen, when I have somewhere to go, or if I'm taking my time and I have, the eyebrows just do what they want to do. So I think I'm gonna try this this one size Secure the Sweat. I think I'm gonna do this one. Do this one because the other one is sounding like real. I'm gonna put it here under my eye. Maybe a little bit on the forehead, but not too much. I mean, too much. So, this is the foundation. This is what the bottle looks like. Ew. I'm gonna shake it well. I'm gonna give my primer a minute. I went to Sephora and I was shade match. Literally, as soon as she put it on, the associate, I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, this is my shade. I really love the bottle. It looks so like expensive. This is my first ever anything I purchased from Patrick Ta. So we're gonna go ahead and do one side of our face, and then we're gonna compare and contrast, and then do the remainder. Let me see. I guess you're not supposed to put it on your face, but I'm gonna put 2 pumps. Right, 2 pumps. I like to spray my brush before. So do you guys see this? When I was in the store and she was putting it on, I was like, what? This looks amazing. This looks really good on her, girl. And this is only 2 pumps being used on this side, so the coverage is medium, but I feel like you could build it up. And this is the remainder of whatever is on the brush. You guys, this is what the foundation is looking like on one side of my face and not on the other. I feel like this is a really good shade. I don't know. I feel like this is a really good shade. And I only applied 2 pumps on this side of my face. Maybe I could add some more, but yeah, let's do this side. I was watching Huda and she was saying not to put any type of like foundation under your eyes, because this is under your eye right here is really sensitive and stuff like that, and you don't want to keep stretching it out because it's so thin. So I'm trying my best not to put any foundation over there. But you guys, do you see this? Guys, this looks like my skin, but better. I'm telling you, when I was shade match, I was like, what the heck is this? It does give you that glow. I do have oily combination skin, so my face will grease up, but we're gonna do our best to secure the sweat and everything else. But this is what the foundation is looking like on your girl. Looks pretty good. So Patricia doesn't have any concealers yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and go on with my NARS Radiant Concealer and do everything else. But so far the skin is skinning. This is what it's looking like. It's definitely giving that radiant glow. You know, being oily skin girl, we don't want the radiant glow to be like oily. But so far so good. I am shade 26. Okay, shade 26, which is neutral. So I feel like, okay, this is not bad at all. This is not bad at all.
Eat it from her mama. I'ma say you fuck her right. Body with this like don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you now? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Posing who you said the right. I just want to live in a fantasy. Think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's lay where the love is like. I put that on my own.
My camera was heating up a little bit, but this is the final look. This is the final product with everything else that I usually do for my go-to makeup. I will definitely be recording like videos for showing you guys. Like, I feel like my makeup is getting better. I feel like it's getting better, and you know, with practice makes, you know, improvement. However, let's get into this foundation. This foundation is definitely a 10, okay? We are giving it a 10 out of 10 for first impressions. And like this color, I feel like this is exactly my shade. Like, what? Like your skin but better type of look. I love it. It feels wayless. It doesn't feel too much. Like, I feel like with everything that I used, like I mentioned before, I do have combination to oily skin, but everything looks flawless. Like the face is looking flawless. The face is sitting on already, okay? The face is on fleek. I love this foundation. So far so good for first impressions. The foundation goes really well with everything else that I usually use on a day-to-day when I'm doing my makeup, so that's a huge plus in my book. It feels very wayless. It doesn't feel like I have anything like heavy on my face. Now we do have to do a wear test to see how it goes throughout the day, so I will definitely be doing a wear test next time, but this is definitely a first impressions. And you guys, the face is sitting on flawless. Like, I look dang good. Like, look, I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see. This is what the foundation looks like on your girl. And again, I am shade 26. As far as it blending in so flawlessly, so seamlessly, and it's still, I feel like I may have that radiant type of glow, but not like oily. Yeah, it looks pretty darn good. Now this does retail for $58. It's 1 fluid ounce, so it's 1 fluid ounce for $58. It is a little bit pricey, but I feel like if this foundation is perfect for if you're going to like an important event and you want your face to look flawless and you want it to be bellissimo, pretty bella. Oh my goodness, I definitely would recommend this. But like, if you feel like you cannot afford this, there's probably other options, but for a first impression, I really love it. And I love the bottle too. I'm a sucker for packaging and everything, and I really love it. So this is not bad for it to be my first Patrick Ta product that I'm using. I don't even know like what to do. Like, it looks so good. Like, can you believe that this was me? When I tell you the power of makeup, the power of putting yourself together is crazy, but I absolutely love it. Definitely get your hands on it if you can, if you feel like you want to splurge and get something to treat yourself. If you're a makeup person, definitely get it. But if you're not going to be wearing makeup every day, save you $58. But I think the formula is really, really great, and you can build it up. So it has a medium coverage and you can build it up. So yeah, and it's not like dewy, and it's not like matte. It has like a radiant finish, as you saw in the beginning. Once I put all the products in my face, set my face, did all this and all that, I am fairly impressed with how everything came out together, and it looks pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. Even the cousin brows are looking kind of good. Okay, that's the power of the foundation, baby. That's the power of the foundation. So yes, you guys, that is pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl, and comment down below if you are going to be getting the Patrick Ta foundation. If you've gotten it, what you think about it. I would go to Sephora if you can, just to do your shade match, and they would match it to the best of their ability. And I feel like they did a really good job matching me to shade number 26, which is the neutral shade. So yes, I like it. I really, really like it. It really feels like I have nothing on my face. Like I don't even feel anything. Thank you so much for tuning in. And like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.